What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're going to show you what's the difference between the iPhone 12 Pro that was just released to our iPhone 10. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. And today, there's a reason why we're comparing the iPhone 10 to the iPhone 12 Pro that was just released. If you notice here, the iPhone 10 was the first redesign from the iPhone 8 Plus. We're looking at the button on the front with the Touch ID. And then with the iPhone 10, we get the Face ID. But what's the difference between the iPhone 10 and the iPhone 12 now? And you're about to find out. So here, the front of the iPhone 12 Pro as announced today is the same screen to body ratio with a notch display, Face ID at the front, no more Touch ID of course, same design. The back, we see that of course the camera is different as well, and most importantly, the square edge design. So really the only difference between them is very minimal. And in fact, here's iPhone 12 Pro case, and we'll see the difference between the case and will it even fit our iPhone 10. So here what we'll do is just slap that on right there. So firsthand, what you could see here is that the 12 Pro case is a little bit bigger than the iPhone 10. Right now I could feel that the top is loose. As you could see there's a bit of a gap right there. And obviously the camera part is also very big because now it has a bigger camera module. So there's not much of a difference. We could just go around like this and you can fool a lot of people. Of course, it would be better if it fits better. Okay, so what we'll do today, I'll show you a different case here. Let's take that, put that on the side. And we have a different case right here. This is the one that will convert your 11 Pro. So let's see how well this fits. This one's made actually for the 11 Pro. And this fits very well. It still gives you the square off design right there without compromising anything. It is a little bit smaller than the iPhone 12 Pro actual case, as you could see there. But that is a very minimal difference if you're looking at it from afar. Now, if you have an 11 Pro, then you wouldn't have to do this step. But what's the difference right now? What is wrong with this right now? The camera, right? As where it stands right now, the camera doesn't make sense because the iPhone 10 only has 2 cameras and the 11 Pro has 3 cameras. So what can we do so that we can achieve that look of 3 cameras right here? So here you can get this in the link below. Pretty cheap style, as you could see there. You'll be able to still use the flash right there. It even has some sort of a fake hole there for the mic and the 3 camera modules. And there you go. First glance, obviously this is very fake, but if you are walking around, no one's even gonna say otherwise that it looks like the 11 Pro. So let's go ahead and install this to our iPhone 10 and see what it looks like. There you go. The first step is obviously to clean out your iPhone 10, and second part is just slap this on. Right here is just a little sticker on the back, so you'll be able to just fit this right onto your iPhone 10. Just like that. So let's go ahead and install this. Here you go. As you could see up there as well, you should take that off. That part that actually sticks to the iPhone 10 lens right there. There you go. And then all you do is just line it up. Now again, if you already have the iPhone 11 Pro, you don't have to do this step. And there you go. So now as long as you don't compare this side by side with an 11 Pro, you'll be able to fool a lot of people, especially the people that are not paying attention with what your phone looks like anyway. If you're just walking down the street, no one's gonna say otherwise that you don't have the latest iPhone. It does have a little bit of a bigger, and I don't like that Apple logo in the middle because it does show off quite a bit compared to the 11 Pro. But now let's see if our case still fits. There you go. As you could see there, it fits very well. It's quite a nice design. Now you can fool people that you have the iPhone 12 Pro. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope I was able to help you on what's the difference between the 11 Pro and the 12 Pro. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified of the next videos to come. If you want to see more of these, I'll link this down below as well. If you want to get one yourself, I'll link this down below so you go ahead and buy one yourself. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.